Welcome to SnapComms. The Branding and Themes section in the Content Manager lets you set up one or more organization theme in terms of the logo, fonts, and colors, and then use them to brand your SnapComms messages. This new feature eliminates the need to order branded templates from SnapComms and gives you full control over the look and feel of your messages. To get started, open the Management section in the Content Manager and select Branding and Themes. The first time you visit this page, you will see 4 themes. Today I will show you how to customize the organization theme for your company. Click on Organization Theme and select View Theme. And here you see the page where we can edit the theme to match your organization's branding. The first thing to change is the generic logo to your own company logo. The logo will be placed full width at the top of the message window, so a landscape image is preferable. The default width of the desktop alert is 590 pixels wide. Click Change Logo Image and find your logo in one of the supported image types from your PC. I will use the Circle Company logo. Once you've changed the logo, the colors below are picked up automatically from the most dominant logo color. In my case, this is blue and green. You can manually override that using the color picker if you choose. I am changing the button color to blue and the button hover color to a slightly contrasting blue. Notice how the preview on the right moves to show you exactly where the changes apply. Watch that as I change headline 2 color to blue. The font is currently Calibri, but you can change it to any of the fonts shown in the list. Or, if the font you want to use is not in the list, you can upload the font here. I want to use my corporate font, which is Open Sans. Simply upload your font file in TTF or OTF format, and then it becomes available in the list for you to select. The font will be injected into the message package of files that is ultimately published to the SnapComms app. The beauty of this is that your custom font does not need to be installed on every employee's PC. You can adjust the font sizes here too. And once you're happy with the preview on the right, select Apply to replace the organization theme with your branding. Take care though, because this will replace the branding on all items using the organization branding theme. Then go back to your list of themes and you're now ready to create your first message using your organization branding theme. Click Create Content, and let's create a desktop alert. Choose your organization theme and give the alert a name. Then choose a folder to save the alert in and create content. Here you see that the logo, fonts, and colors have been applied to the alert. Now simply click to edit your content. Note that your administrators with management privileges can also access the branding section from the designer interface while editing a message. Select the Settings cog, then the Style tab, and use the View Theme button to get to the Branding and Themes setup. Now let's set up some additional themes for use by specific departments for their messages so that they are immediately identifiable to staff. We do this by cloning the organization theme that you've just created and editing it for a department. So select the organization theme and click Clone. Name the theme IT Department Theme and then clone. Change the logo image so that it reflects your IT department's colors. Notice how the red color is picked up from the updated logo. I want to extend the color identification of the IT department by making the primary color and links match too. So copy the hex value of the button and update the primary color. Do the same for links. And heading 1. When you're happy with the branding of the new theme, click Apply and then go back to the themes list. Here I see my IT department theme with the updated logo and distinctive color. Let's repeat that for a second department theme. Select the organization theme, then clone. Name the new department theme, Legal and HR department theme, and clone. Change the logo image so that it reflects the department name and color. This time I want to emphasize the greenish color as the primary color. Copy that green, update the primary color as well as the links. And heading 1. Again, when you are happy with the preview on the right, select Apply and return to the themes list. The new Legal and HR department theme is now visible. Notice the padlock on the other themes that you can see. These are what we call system themes, which can be cloned and then edited, but cannot be edited themselves. Hence they are marked as locked. Thanks for watching this SnapComms tutorial. If you require additional help, please read the Branding and Themes knowledge base article linked to here, or email tech.support@snapcomms.com.